Garlic is a widely used culinary herb that has been used for centuries in many cultures for its many health benefits. It is a member of the allium family and is known for its distinctive pungent flavor and aroma. Garlic is rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants and has been used to treat a variety of ailments from infections to digestive problems. Recent studies suggest that garlic may also have a positive effect on sleep quality and overall health. This video will discuss the various health benefits of garlic and how it can be incorporated into your diet to improve sleep and health. Garlic has been used as a medicinal herb for centuries, and it has been found to have many health-promoting properties. It is also considered to be an effective remedy for insomnia and other sleep disorders. Studies have shown that garlic can help improve sleep quality by reducing stress and anxiety levels and promoting a deeper and more restful sleep. Garlic has been found to possess natural sedative properties that help to reduce physical and mental tension, making it easier to drift off to sleep. Additionally, garlic helps to reduce cortisol levels, which can help to reduce stress-related insomnia. Furthermore, garlic can help to reduce inflammation in the body, which can help to improve overall sleep quality. Therefore, garlic can be a helpful tool for those struggling with insomnia or other sleep-related issues. Garlic has long been known for its many health benefits, but scientific evidence now proves that it can have a positive effect on multiple aspects of health. Studies have found that garlic can reduce cholesterol levels, lower blood pressure, reduce inflammation, boost the immune system, and even help regulate blood sugar levels. Additionally, garlic can aid in digestion and detoxify the body. Garlic is also known to contain compounds that can fight cancer, as well as compounds that can help ward off infections. The evidence showing the health benefits of garlic is growing, and it is clear that incorporating garlic into one's diet can have a positive effect on overall health. Garlic is an incredibly versatile ingredient that can be added to many different dishes to add flavor and nutrition. As such, there are many ways to incorporate garlic into your diet. One easy way is to add minced garlic to salads, soups, and sauces. You can also roast garlic cloves and add them to roasted vegetables or use them as a spread on toast. Additionally, you can add garlic to marinades and dressings for added flavor. You can even chop garlic and add it to omelets or stir-fries. Garlic also pairs well with meats like chicken and beef, and can be added to stews and casseroles. Finally, garlic can also be used to infuse oils, butter, and other ingredients. With such a wide variety of ways to incorporate garlic into your diet, it is easy to reap the health benefits of this powerful ingredient. Although garlic is generally regarded as a beneficial and nutritious food, it is important to note that eating too much garlic can lead to some adverse side effects. Eating more than 4 cloves of garlic per day can cause digestive issues such as bloating, heartburn, gas, and nausea. Eating a large amount of garlic can also cause body odor and bad breath. Additionally, garlic can interact with certain medications, so it is important to check with your doctor before increasing your garlic intake. It is also important to buy quality garlic, as some garlic sold in stores has been treated with chemicals to extend its shelf life. To ensure you are getting the most out of garlic and avoiding potential side effects, it is best to consult your doctor before drastically increasing your intake. When it comes to selecting quality garlic, there are a few key points to keep in mind. The most important factor is to look for bulbs that are firm and plump. The cloves should be tightly wrapped and the skin should be unbroken. Avoid purchasing garlic that has started to sprout or has signs of mold. When choosing garlic, look for bulbs that are uniform in size and color, as this indicates freshness. Quality garlic should also have a sharp, pungent aroma. If the garlic has a strong odor, it is likely past its prime and should be avoided. Finally, make sure to check the packaging for any signs of deterioration. Quality garlic should be free from moisture and stored in a cool, dry place. Garlic is a powerful superfood that has many health benefits, including improved sleep and overall health. It is important to understand the various cooking methods that enhance the health benefits of garlic in order to get the most out of this amazing food. There are a few different ways to cook garlic that will help to maximize its health benefits. The most common way to cook garlic is to sauté it in a pan with oil or butter. This method of cooking garlic helps to preserve its health benefits and flavor. It also makes it easier to incorporate garlic into a variety of dishes. Another popular cooking method for garlic is roasting. Roasting garlic enhances its flavor and helps to bring out the natural sweetness of the garlic. It also helps to make the garlic easier to digest. Garlic can also be cooked in a slow cooker or pressure cooker. This method of cooking helps to preserve the health benefits of the garlic and helps to make it more palatable. Additionally, garlic can be boiled in water or broth to make a garlic broth or soup. This helps to make the garlic easier to digest and also helps to preserve its health benefits. Overall, there are many different ways to cook garlic that will help to maximize its health benefits. By understanding the various cooking methods that enhance the health benefits of garlic, you can get the most out of this amazing superfood and improve your overall health and sleep. Garlic is a versatile ingredient that can be used in many different recipes. With its powerful flavor and health benefits, incorporating garlic into your diet is a great way to boost nutrition and flavor. There are endless possibilities when it comes to recipes that include garlic, from soups and salads to sauces and pastas. Here are a few recipes that make it easy to get the most out of garlic. Roasted garlic and mushroom soup, a hearty, comforting soup perfect for chilly nights. Roast garlic cloves with mushrooms and onions and add to a pot of vegetable broth. Simmer until the vegetables are tender and blend until smooth. Garlic and herb salad dressing. Add a pungent kick to any salad with a garlic and herb dressing. In a blender, combine minced garlic, olive oil, lemon juice, and herbs of your choice. Blend until smooth and toss with your favorite greens. Garlic lemon butter sauce. This flavorful sauce is perfect for pasta dishes. In a saucepan, melt butter and add minced garlic. Simmer until fragrant and add lemon juice, parsley, and salt. Simmer until the sauce thickens and toss with cooked pasta. Garlic mashed potatoes. For a classic side dish, garlic mashed potatoes are a great way to get the most out of garlic. In a pot on the stove, boil potatoes until tender. Drain and mash with butter, garlic, milk, and salt. Serve hot and enjoy. These recipes are just a few of the many ways to incorporate garlic into your diet. With its unique flavor and health benefits, garlic is an ingredient that is sure to add flavor and nutrition to any dish. Garlic is widely recognized for its health benefits, and it is easy to incorporate into your diet. To ensure you are getting the maximum health benefits from garlic, it is important to consider several factors. First, it is important to choose quality garlic, as some garlic products may have been treated with preservatives or other chemicals. It is also important to consider how the garlic is cooked, as high heat can reduce some of garlic's health benefits. To maximize the health benefits of garlic, it is best to cook it at low temperatures and add it to food near the end of the cooking process. Additionally, you can consume garlic in its raw form, as this has been shown to be the most effective way of reaping the health benefits of garlic. Finally, it is important to stick to a regular garlic consumption schedule, as this will allow your body to adjust to the properties of garlic and get the maximum health benefits. In conclusion, garlic is a powerful superfood that can provide many health benefits. It is high in antioxidants and can help to boost the immune system, reduce inflammation, and even improve sleep quality. There is also scientific evidence to support the health benefits of garlic. To get the most out of garlic, it is important to choose quality garlic and cook it in a way that preserves its beneficial compounds. Incorporating garlic into your diet can be easy with recipes that feature the flavorful ingredient. With these simple tips, garlic can be a powerful addition to your diet and help you to achieve optimal health. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell to be informed of our new videos. Furthermore, make sure to check out the links in the description for more information. Thanks for watching.